What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning Laravel. My name is QDS Danny and you guys watching my channel Croywood. Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about route groups, and before we talk about route groups, make sure you guys go ahead and start your Laravel with PHP Artisan Serve. Alright, so what is route groups? So route groups, just like we have created so far, route, and we are putting just a get. So here, for example, we have admin, and for example, our admin have a login, for example. So here we are putting a function, and we are return. So if we are returning admin login, for example, login. So far we have done this. And if you look in here, that's what we have done with our routes. So what happens if you have admin, because we have a lot of admins here, say for example admin return, admin dashboard. So if we have say for example here, and I'm gonna show you here, say for example now we have admin login, then we have admin registration. So register, for example, our admin, for example, dashboard, and we have admin, for example, authenticate our say for example admin categories, for example, and we have admin for example managers, for example admin users. Alright, so now if you look in here, as you guys keep typing here, it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger, because you have so far we have very massive here. It's getting massive. Imagine if you are writing a Laravel and your admin's gonna be like, say for example, because in admin you guys need the registration, you guys need the dashboard, you guys need the create categories, you guys need the users, and then for example you guys need the products. Okay, so then you guys need the products not sold, then you guys need the say not active products, then you guys need the featured products, then you guys need the top products, then you guys need the admin payment, then you guys need the, so the list goes on and on and on and on. Then you guys gonna get stuck, and then when you go, once you guys gonna come and check, then you guys gonna be on page 9,000 something lines. So in your here in your web you're going to be have a 9,000 lines. Then you're gonna get a headache, because that with this many, then you're gonna get extremely bad feeling. So I'm gonna remove all these ones, because it's getting longer, we're getting headache. Laravel came in and give us a solution. Instead of we are writing all this many route, we're gonna create a route group. Our route, we just put a singular group, so we put a route, and we put a, instead of get, we just put a group. So now we are telling Laravel effectively that look, we want to use a group for our admin. Keep in mind, if when you're writing professional Laravel, the admin is not the only ones. You guys need the users front end, and then you guys need the categories, you guys need the, for example, payment, you guys need the you name it, courier, you guys need the rejected products, or you guys need the potential products, or you guys need the rejected payments. So you guys, the list goes on and on and on and on, and that then the route group comes in very handy. So now we gonna put the first part is gonna be array, and I'm gonna tell you shortly why we need array. And the second part we can just put a function, just like a normal function. And once you guys go to put your function, then we need to put all of these guys here, just like put a boundary, just like a country with so many states and so many provinces. So think of this one as a country. Now it has a boundary here, and they have instead of this little bit floating pages, we have a one giant page. So because this has a boundary around it, so it's very easy to organize. So now you know which ones which. It's a lot easier. So for example, if you go and check admin login and admin register, put a admin and we put a login. So that's a login. And if we try admin, for example, register, we're gonna come here login, because here is login. Say for example, if you're gonna put admin dashboard, then we're gonna see the dashboard. Then you're gonna see the dashboard. So how about if we kind of come and put all this, instead of all this admin, we don't want to see admin again. We just want to see login. We just want to see say register. We just want to see, because these admins keep repeating. If you look in here, if you have say for example another 20 admin, then you're going to get sick of this admin. Okay, so you just remove that, all the admins. I'm gonna remove this admin as well. So now you're looking here, all of them is going to be unique, and here you guys need to put your array, put a prefix. So we want to put a prefix and double arrow operator. And what's the prefix? Admin in our case. So we put an admin, but now you don't need to put admin again. How cool is this? So I'm gonna save. If I come and run, you're gonna see I don't need to put admin. So I just put admins. For example, I'm gonna put a register, and I'm gonna come and log in, because of the help of this prefix. So now you're gonna ask me what happens if you have say for example a controller. Yeah, by all means you can still have your controller. Say for example, if you want to remove this function, you can remove this and put an admin, for example, controller at, you put a register, and same we can go here. I'm going to remove all, so because I'm going to put again, because we are programmers and programmers are lazy people. So here I have a register, for example, and I have a dashboard. Okay, so I have an admin controller. I'm gonna put a login. The first one is I'm gonna put a login. That one's login. The second one's register, and the third one's a dashboard. So we put a dashboard. Alright, so now if you're thinking that we're gonna create a controller, you're very right. So we're gonna come here and say we put the second one, we put a PHP artisan make, we put a controller, and we put an admin controller. You just copy paste. And if you're looking here why I'm here, if you remember from the previous video, we have created one command prompt just to start our Laravel, and the second one just for our controller. So we put a PHP artisan make controller, admin controller. So we're going to create admin controller. So our controller has been created successfully, and if you look in here, we have a admin controller. And because we have a pages for login, register, and dashboard, that's what you guys need to create your login. So we're going to create 3 methods. We're going to put a public function. We put a index. Make sure you don't forget your index. The first one is that you guys need to make it your index, and then the guys need to make public. Then you put a function. Then you got to put a register, and the third one is going to make public function, and we put a login, and then you're going to put a public function, you put a dashboard. Keep in mind, as we said, that about the CRUD, that you guys need to put an update, and you guys need to put a read these ones. You guys can put all of these, plus you guys can put anything you guys like, because this one from here you guys control everything. So here you control the main page, here you control the register, and here you guys can put a return and put a register page. You can put an admin register page, and here you can copy paste few times because it's gonna be coming login. So admin login page, and here we have a dashboard, and we're gonna put an admin dashboard page. So we're gonna save all. Alright, so now we're gonna check because we have our prefix admin, we have a login. Now we're going to do it through our controller, which is more professional. So we're gonna save all, and we're gonna come and say, for example, we are at register, and you're gonna put it this more professional. Now you can do your full-fledged admin registration page. So for example, we can put an admin login. You can put admin login. For example, now we put an admin dashboard. We can put admin dashboard. How cool is this? Keep in mind, if you can put this one, you can put anything here. So this is your page. So that's how through the controller. I'll recap this one because in this video we learned about the route group. We have a route. Instead of creating admin all the time, here we just put it with the prefix with the double arrow operator. A double arrow operator is like this is the key and this is the value, like so if the prefix has what's the value of the prefix is admin. So because that's inside the group, and then we have all these pages. And with this one, you guys can if you look in here, this looks more clean. Say for example, you have another route group here, and you put for example users, and down here you have another route group, and you have, for example, put payments. You can put all payments group here. Another one here you have for products. So now you can make inside the blocks, inside a big giant blocks, just like countries. So and now whatever admin here you pages you put in, you just put it here to organize your code. So you don't have to, your page is not going to be here and there. When you come in here and check, when you look in here at admin group, you know that this is one giant say section of your code. Say for example, we need to put admin for our back end, and we need to put a front end. You can put a front end, up to you. It's up to you how you want to program your Laravel. But here we need to look at the add group, how we're gonna program our Laravel with the group. So we do grouping for a route. So that's how the grouping works in the Laravel. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Crywood. If you guys have any question or comment, leave it in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.